Modern aesthetic medicine includes several treatment categories that support skin and tissue improvement through different biological mechanisms. In this video, we introduce three commonly discussed categories: PLLA, PDRN, and skin boosters, using example products for educational clarity. Although these treatments may appear similar at a surface level, they are designed to support different biological processes. Understanding these categories helps guide appropriate treatment planning and expectation management. PLLA, or poly-L-lactic acid, is classified as a collagen-stimulating material. Rather than creating an immediate visible change, PLLA supports the body's natural collagen formation process over time. Products such as Olidia PLLA are discussed in the context of long-term tissue support and gradual structural improvement. Because collagen development occurs gradually, PLLA-based treatments are typically associated with long-term planning rather than immediate aesthetic change. PDRN, or polydeoxyribonucleotide, is commonly discussed in relation to tissue recovery and regenerative support. It is derived from DNA fragments and has been studied for its role in supporting cellular repair and skin vitality. Products such as Racel PDRN are often associated with approaches that focus on skin recovery and overall tissue health. Skin boosters represent a category focused on improving overall skin quality. They are commonly discussed in relation to hydration, elasticity, and texture rather than structural change. Products like Miracle L are used as examples when discussing strategies aimed at enhancing skin condition. Each category supports a different biological objective. PLLA focuses on collagen stimulation, PDRN on tissue recovery support, and skin boosters on skin quality enhancement. In aesthetic practice, treatment decisions should begin with an understanding of the biological mechanism required for each individual case. Product names serve as examples within broader treatment categories. This content is intended for educational purposes only and does not replace professional medical training or clinical judgment. All aesthetic treatments should be provided by qualified medical professionals in accordance with local regulations.